If you're looking to boost your affiliate sales and grow your audience, this strategy is a game changer. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's quickly define what a free offer is. In affiliate marketing, a free offer is a valuable resource or product that you give away to your audience at no cost. It could be an ebook, a video course, a checklist, or anything that provides useful information or solves a problem for your target audience. Now you might be wondering, why would I give something away for free? How does that benefit me as an affiliate marketer? Well, here is the secret. A free offer acts as a powerful lead magnet. By offering something of value for free, you attract a larger audience, capture their contact information, and build a relationship with them over time. Once you have their contact information, you can nurture these leads through email marketing, providing them with more valuable contact and gradually introducing them to your affiliate offers. So how do you effectively implement this strategy? Let's break it down into a few key steps. The step one, identifying your target audience. To create a compelling free offer, you need to know who you're targeting. Research your niche and understand the needs and desires and pain points of your audience. This knowledge will help you develop a free offer that resonates with them. Step 2, create an irresistible free offer. Your free offer should provide genuine value to your audience. It should address a specific problem they are facing or provide them with information that they are eager to learn. Make it visually appealing, easy to consume, and most importantly, actionable. Step 3, build a capture page and a thank you page. A capture page is a dedicated web page designed to capture leads. It should be simple, focused, and highlight the benefits of your free offer. Include compelling headline, a clear call to action, and an opt-in form where visitors can submit their contact information. Step 4, drive traffic to your landing page. Now comes the fun part, driving traffic to your landing page. You can use various marketing channels like social media, content marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Direct them to your capture page where they can sign up and receive their free offer. Step 5, follow up with email marketing. Once you have your leads' contact information, it's time to nurture the relationship through email marketing. Send them a series of emails delivering more value, building trust, and gradually introducing them to your affiliate offers. You can customize your emails, engage with your subscribers, and provide exclusive content to keep them hooked. And that is the power of the free offer strategy in affiliate marketing. By providing value upfront and building trust with your audience, you can increase your chances of converting leads into loyal customers. And remember, affiliate marketing is about providing solutions to your audience's problems. And by implementing the free offer strategy, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority and grow your affiliate business in the process. Now let me ask you for a favor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips. And if you click the link below this video, you will get access to the ebook where you can learn the theory about the free offer strategy and also the practical side where I can show you how to build a small affiliate marketing funnel. Don't hesitate, click the link below this video and I will see you on the other side.